Answering people's questions today. Will a lie on my visa application ruin my chances of getting a green card? Hi, I'm Stacey Rogers, immigration attorney and founder of SRR Law Group. I help immigrants navigate some of the most stressful and complicated parts of the US immigration system. And today we're talking about something that terrifies most people. What happens if you lied on your visa application? Here's what I'll be covering in the next few minutes. Firstly, the difference between material and immaterial misrepresentation, when a waiver may be available for a fraud or misrepresentation, a real case where we were able to fix it and one where we couldn't, and what happens if you try to ignore it or you lie again. So what counts as a lie? Under immigration law, a misrepresentation is only a problem if it's material. That means it would have impacted the immigration officer's decision that was made if you told the truth. Saying you're single if you're actually married, that would be material. Leaving off your middle name? Probably not. So what happens if you didn't mean to lie? Well, intent matters, but not always. If you gave false information, even accidentally, you could still be charged with fraud under the Immigration and Nationality Act. But if it wasn't willful, there might be a way to avoid the bar altogether. It's really important to assess any misrepresentation with an attorney to protect yourself. Here's an example. I had a client who came in with a visa they got using a fake name back in the early 2000s. They thought they were completely out of luck, but we found out that they were eligible for a waiver because their US citizen spouse had serious medical issues. We won the waiver and the green card. In contrast, I had someone who lied about being a US citizen in order to try to obtain a US passport. When he asked why, he gave multiple conflicting stories and then refused to tell the truth, even when given the chance to withdraw the claim to citizenship. USCIS denied the case and referred it to ICE. It's very difficult to fix a situation where you made a false claim to being a US citizen, even in your job paperwork or by voting. Ignoring it will not make it go away. It doesn't simply go away. If you've made a misstatement, even if it was 20 years ago, it can come back to bite you through green card, naturalization, or visa renewal. Being proactive and honest with your attorney is the only way to fix this situation. If you're worried about something you said on your visa application or something you didn't say, don't wait until USCIS catches it. Reach out to our office for a strategy session. And if this video helped, subscribe and check out our blog for more immigration tips and breakdowns.